Welcome back, everybody. Another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. And if you've been following the channel, you know this person. Woo! Haha. Yeah, it's our favorite helper on the job site, right? So here we are. Finally come up here to trim these hedges. All these boxwood hedges here. We have a couple other missions we're doing today. This area is getting changed. This bush is getting taken out, and yeah, got a few other places around back I'll show you real quick. So obviously I do not come through here during the winter time and do any maintenance because these weeds would not be in these rocks right now. So we will be taking care of that stuff today, getting all the weeds out, and we'll go around this way, show you what else we got. I mean, the hedges just keep going. The hedges just go, right? Got more over here up against the house and down this way. So we got this beautiful, healthy, it needs to be trimmed back. It's not tiny, but it's not super huge. Then we're going back here in the backyard. So we got this one hedge back here in the back that we're gonna tighten up for them. And we got a bed over here on the side of the fence that we're gonna take all that mulch and dirt that we're digging out up front. We're gonna bring back here, fill this in, and we have a fresh scoop of dye brown mulch that will come and top dress the whole area with. So that'll all be dressed up. And we're not doing anything back here. He's gonna take care of some stuff for us instead of having us do it, which always is helpful. You're so cute. Adorable. She's here to help.
She is. Yo,
All right, I'm making progress up here. Got the border rocks out. Trying to get this down flat to the grade. so we can match up the rest of the stones, get these weeds out and top dress everything. So they're doing good. It's just a little bit tight back here. Show you. We had to get down here to the fence line. So you also gotta get it off the fence line. He'll whack all that off. So it's after lunchtime. Show you what I got done. Wow, a lot of work, a whole lot of work. So got that dude done. Got those over here. Dalton, Tyler, over there cleaning up. This rose bush, I think it's dead. I went ahead and whacked it back pretty hardcore. Pretty sure it's dead. We'll see what happens. Might be a little bit of green left. So I went through and got the weeds. Obviously, that's a pile of them. Got this trimmed. Working on this long bad boy. Just getting started pretty much. They get so fuzzy, hey, you don't even realize it. It's like shearing through sheep wool or something. Anyways, I got from here down, then this row. And as usual, had a few extra things added onto our list, so probably be back out here tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, it's 5:30 now. Got a lot of work accomplished, and like I said, we had a whole lot of extra things added on that I wasn't prepared for today. So we'll be back tomorrow to finish out the mission. But the beautiful box row hedge has been done, and that one over there. Got those rocks, well, got the area prepped for rocks tomorrow. And look, I missed some trimming. Just noticed this. Let's clean up tomorrow. That dude didn't get trimmed. It's a good thing I did his walkthrough, right? So, got a little bit left here for tomorrow. Throwing some mulch in the backyard areas. Do a little bit of transplanting of some potters. And putting stone here to match everything else. Getting rid of some pots that have been collected. We did trim the roses here. And the butterfly bush in the corner. So, yeah, it's in progress. So I'm not gonna close the video out yet. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll finish up tomorrow with the rest of the footage on this video. Yeah. Well, I'm up nice and early. Jeez, let's do it. Back on the scene. All right, guys, it's 3 o'clock. We've been rolling strong since 7 o'clock this morning. I'll take you around back here and show you what we got done in the back secret garden. And remember, we weren't supposed to do anything back there, but we had to change the plans. So we made it nice. I'll show you real quick. So over here wasn't doing very good with the turf. All the tree roots from this tree and this maple were sucking all the nutrients out, and the water from the pool was running over here. So we went ahead and mulched this area in, changed the little border design, which opened up the garden really nice. Really nice. And the owner's been back here rearranging pots and furniture and replanting a whole bunch of his hostas that he's got. It was time to do some regrowth here to make everything fresh again. Turned out really nice. We were only supposed to do this bed, so the rest of it got added on, which is awesome because I really do love making the entire property look good. The only thing left we gotta do is go up front, put down 2 tons of Tennessee stone, and that'll wrap it up. But yeah, it turned out nice. And ended up taking down a tree over here, another tree back here, and that kind of opened that up a lot. Yeah, looks good now. We got a project coming over here in the fall. See, this dirt here, the same thing's happening here as it was over there on that side. These trees sucking all the nutrients out of the ground, which stops the grass from being prosperous, right? So in the fall, we're gonna come out here, clean this the fence line out a little bit, and then we'll end up just mulching this whole area, and we'll put 1, 2, 3 nice huge butterfly bushes that jump up about 10, 12 feet. And that way, when you walk back here in the back, so when you're here at the pool, that'll just be a big plume of butterfly bushes right in that area eventually. That'll look nice. And yeah, we'll just end up mulching the whole thing. So this is called the large Tennessee stone. And you know, it's all dusty right now, so it's gray, but it turns out nice. It's colorful. So, like many of us around the country, we got those unexpected extreme cold weather this winter, just for a brief time. And some of the roses didn't look like they were gonna come back strong, so we went ahead and did this to them. We went ahead and did a severe prune on them. They were about 4.5 feet tall. Pruned them down to about 1.5 feet. So after that, we went ahead and fertilized with the rose tone from Espoma, and threw down a little bit of mulch around them. So they should come back healthy and strong. I think maybe 2 of them may not come back, but that's not bad. Yeah, I gotta get back to work. I'll touch back in. So it's 5 o'clock, and yeah, I'm happy. We're wrapping this up. I'll show you what it looks like now compared to what it did when we showed up. All right, turn the camera around, we'll walk. So we got the beautiful boxwoods trimmed up over here as well. That's the one that I forgot yesterday at the end of the day, so it's done. Came through and trimmed some of the roses. And, ooh, look at those stripes. We gotta come back here Wednesday, tomorrow, maybe Thursday at mow. So, anyways, here we go. Brand new, fresh coating of rock and stone. Those spider leg plants come up here. So here we got the final look. All right, all nice and clean. all manicured up, and no more craziness going on. Went ahead and got a little setup here so someone can sit here and look at the beautiful mountains. And this had a bunch of crazy stuff going on, so we went ahead and naturaled up this area too. So that's a wrap up for this mission. Went from trimming bushes to doing 2 days worth of work. Good stuff. It's like I always say, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Love your landscape style. Peace.